Today I am reviewing Gawfolk 27-inch 180Hz Curved Gaming Monitor GF270C. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming monitor that blends immersive visuals, fast performance, and stylish design, the Gawfolk 27-inch 180Hz Curved Gaming Monitor might be exactly what you need. This monitor, the GF270C, is built for gamers, content creators, and anyone who enjoys vibrant, high-quality images. At 27 inches, the curved 1800R screen immediately draws you in, wrapping your field of view and giving a more cinematic feel to both games and movies. The white frameless design is sleek and modern, making it a great fit for any setup, whether it's a minimalist desk or a full RGB gaming station. The curvature isn't just for looks. It actually enhances immersion, so whether you're gaming, watching content, or editing photos and videos, you feel more connected to what's on the screen. When it comes to display quality, this monitor offers a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. While not QHD, the combination of a VA panel with a high 3000:1 contrast ratio provides deep blacks, bright highlights, and rich, vibrant colors. The 98% sRGB coverage ensures colors look natural and smooth, which is ideal for casual content creation or media consumption. With a wide 178-degree viewing angle, the colors remain consistent even if you're off to the side, which is perfect for sharing the screen with friends or working in a multi-monitor setup. Performance is where the Gawfolk GF270C really shines. It boasts a 180 Hz refresh rate, offering incredibly smooth and fluid motion. Games feel responsive and fast, while fast-moving images appear sharp and free from ghosting thanks to the 1 millisecond response time. The monitor also supports FreeSync, which synchronizes the monitor with your graphics card to eliminate tearing and reduce stuttering, creating a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. HDMI supports up to 120 Hz, and using DisplayPort unlocks the full 180 Hz, so if your PC is capable, you can experience the maximum smoothness this monitor offers. Comfort has also been thoughtfully addressed. The monitor features low blue light and flicker-free technology, which reduces eye strain during long gaming or work sessions. This is especially useful if you spend hours in front of the screen, as it helps keep your eyes comfortable without compromising image quality. The screen is glossy, yet manages glare effectively, and the VA panel's deep blacks help make images pop while keeping the picture sharp and immersive. Connectivity is straightforward and versatile. With HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, the monitor is compatible with gaming consoles, PCs, and laptops. There's even a 3.5mm audio port for connecting external speakers or headphones directly. It also supports a 100 by 100mm VESA mount, giving you the option to wall mount the monitor or use an adjustable arm for the perfect desk setup. In everyday use, the monitor delivers a well-rounded experience. Watching movies and playing games feels more engaging thanks to the curved panel, and even during productivity tasks, the display remains sharp and vibrant. The monitor's design, speed, and color performance make it a compelling option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly curved monitor that doesn't compromise on key features. Overall, the Gawfolk 27-inch 180Hz curved gaming monitor offers a balance of style, speed, and visual quality that is hard to find in its price range. It's perfect for gamers who want smooth, responsive gameplay, for creators who need decent color accuracy, and for anyone who values a comfortable, immersive viewing experience. With its sleek design, high refresh rate, low response time, FreeSync support, and eye-friendly features, this monitor provides excellent value and a premium feel that makes it an outstanding choice for your next upgrade.